This is a My Ride Guy Productions. When you fly and need a ride, I'm your guy. My Ride Guy. Hey, it's My Ride Guy. Looks like we have some car issues. Engine lights on. I'm gonna have to take a look what's going on. That's our part right there. That's our vapor purge valve right there. 2 bolts, 2 clips. Hey everybody, it's your guy, My Ride Guy. Looks like after lunch I had a little bit of car issue. Took my car to Advance Auto to do a code check, the computer code check on the engine check light, and it came up as a evaporator, a valve either stuck or blocked. So I'm gonna do a self improvement today. I hope you like the video of fixing my own car. For My Ride Guy, Uber, Lyft drivers, fixing your own car, maintaining your car is so important. It costs hundreds of dollars to maintain tires, brakes, the car engine, parts itself. You gotta be a Mr. Fix-It. Hope you like the video. Hey, how you doing? I'm having some particular issues with my car. I wanted to know if you could look at it like immediately. If you could, I would consider it a personal favor, and I would truly appreciate it. Well, how you doing there, City Slicker? This here's Big Al, Big Al's Auto Repair. If it weren't broke, you wouldn't be here. So I'll help you out real quick, right immediate like. See here that you had a code already on there, and the P144a code, and that sounds like your evaporator valve is stuck. And we gonna get it fixed for you real quick. So you stick around and we'll show you how we do it here at Big Al's Auto Repair. Yeah, man. Gonna get it. Gonna get it. So it seems like, yeah, it was your evaporator. And we only gonna charge you $42.79. That job would cost you $350, $400 anywhere in town here. Anywhere in town. You go. But here at Al's Auto Repair, if they broke, you wouldn't be here. It's only going to be $42.79. All right, then. You city slickers, you have a good day. All you Uber, Lyft drivers, come by. I'll fix your car for you. Your brakes, your tires, and any parts inside. Big Al signing off. And that pops out just like that. You hear that? That's air coming out of there. So that tells me right there that that's the evaporator valve itself. So it's only supposed to be able to blow through it when the electric current's on. The electric current is what opens up that valve up. So this tell me, oh yeah, it's definitely the valve that went bad. So doing that code for free, paying $42.79 for this part, and installing with Big Al, boy, you're saving tons of money doing Uber today. Here's the new one. It goes in there like that. I'll pop this in here all the way down. Pop this back in. Pop it in. That switch back on there. Stop that right back down in there. Just like so. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3. And it's in there, just like that. We got it in there. Let's give her a start. What you say? Let's give her a start. See how she do. The fella I talked to. About the plug told me possibly that this light would eventually turn itself off, or we have to get the code to turn the light off. But it seems like the engine running just perfect now. And it's kicked in. She's purring. Just like that. Part repaired, resolved, and finished for $43.79. Woohoo! You come to Big Al's Auto Repair. If it ain't broke, you wouldn't be here. You sign on to My Ride Guy, because he's your guy. My Ride Guy.